Step-by-step guide. Use DeepSeek R1 for free in Visual Studio Code. Are you tired of paying for AI tools that don't always meet your needs? What if I told you there's a powerful free alternative? In this video, I'll show you how to integrate DeepSeek R1, a powerful large language model, into Visual Studio Code for free. Developed by the Chinese AI startup DeepSeek, this open-source model is a game changer. Unlike ChatGPT, where you need to pay up to $200 per month for full benefits, DeepSeek R1 offers top-tier performance at no cost. Why is DeepSeek R1 worth your attention? Completely free and open source. Outperforms many existing AI models, on par with OpenAI's top models. Now, let's dive into how to get this running in your VS Code. Step 1. Downloading Ollama. To integrate DeepSeek R1, we'll use a tool called Ollama. Follow these steps. Click Download and select the version for your OS, Mac OS, Linux, or Windows. Step 2. Installing DeepSeek R1. Open Ollama and search for DeepSeek R1. You'll see multiple model options. The 32B and 70B models are on par with OpenAI 1 Mini. If you're just testing, choose the smallest model to save storage. Copy the provided command and run it in your terminal or shell. If Ollama is already installed, it will start the model. Otherwise, it will install it first. Step 3. Running DeepSeek R1 locally. Once installed, launch the model and test it. Open your terminal and enter. Choose the installed model and run it. Test it by asking a question. What are you? The AI will respond locally, no data collection, fully private. Step 4. Integrating DeepSeek R1 in VS Code. Open VS Code and go to Extensions. Search for Continue and install the extension. Click the new Continue icon in VS Code. Open Settings and edit the config file. Clear everything inside Models. Replace it with your DeepSeek R1 model configuration. Copy the model name from Ollama list and paste it in the config. Ensure provider equals Ollama and save the file. Your model should now appear in VS Code. Step 5. Using DeepSeek R1 for coding assistance. With DeepSeek R1 integrated, you can now highlight any block of code and press Ctrl-L. This sends the code to DeepSeek R1 via the Continue extension. Ask questions like, do we have an error in this code? Can you optimize this function? Get instant AI-powered responses to improve your coding. Pro tip, use larger models for smarter AI responses. If you want more detailed and intelligent answers, consider using the 32B model or higher instead of 1.5B. What do you think about DeepSeek R1? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI and coding tips.